factory waste, they create more pollution, in my opinion. And
well, let's talk about facts that came in during these 50 days when Odimon formula was applied. So they calculate pollution by per inch particles, per inch particles that are present in the air. So it went down from 450 to 370. I mean, there was a huge change. This is a huge change, yes. That coming down these numbers to 370, that the pollution, particle pollutions have been come down.
Yes, I agree with you. That's the audible formula is a good formula. But less number of cars are running on the roads, and according to the report which they have submitted, that approximately 30% of the pollution have been reduced due to this formula.
according to me, it's just not cars which create pollution. Basically, the industries which creates more pollution, like which create waste, and other industries also.
But you have to start from something, and that something has already been started
But
with the cars.
Arvind Kejriwal started this system, but he should focus on that sector also. They are the major.
My friend, as according to the audible formula, having impact low on the pollution but high on the traffic jam, and although people those who are not having more number of cars, they were doing fraud by putting CNG stickers. This was more of a cure than a solution to this problem. And they were focused on DTC buses,
Like you have said that-
industries rather than the vehicles.
They are the major industries which create pollution, except cars.
Well, there is a point. I mean, we have to start with something, and
But
we
it
have.
was not successful as it was stated.
It creates chaos and problems to the people who don't have the more numbers of cars.
According to me,
I would
it's
like to tell you that the Supreme Courts are banning those factories which are creating more and more population. So, pollution.
in my opinion,
But instead of-
there is not any effect on pollution. It is only a political intention.
I already talked about the facts in the first point.
Facts. You are talking about the facts.
Yes.
But how will you make the
But
people
what
believe
we
that
have
there is a
observed was very much
there is a low
different
pollution.
from the
People
facts.
was adopting these ways.
There
People
were some
were used to.
many people are suffering many problems.
They were accommodating with the other people.
But
See,
if
it was
you
that-
talk about the transportation, the people are suffering many problems. They are suffering.
There
There
were
is
jobs,
something you
there
have to
were jobs in the
sacrifice
metro
If you are
stations,
implementing
but
something,
as
then you have to implement these things according to the proper planning. If you have to increase the number of buses, if you have to increase the
Yes,
number of
I agree, I agree.
then you have to implement the plans. It's about the planning.
Well, take-
there should be proper planning.
Yeah.
So implementing this plan, Rajiv Chowk station was a whole cure
Yeah.
on the first day of ordinary plan. It should have increased the number of public transport,
Yeah.
not
Exactly.
Also, other
Well,
reasons
well,
also
we
have
have-
problem.
there were implementations of those rules, and all those people who were donating, like you said about the CNG, that they were having fake stickers and fake number plates. We implemented these rules. So whoever gonna violate should pay the penalty. And talking about the metro stations,
Most of the pollution is the public transport only. The large amount of pollution is caused due to the public transport only.
You were talking about the CNG. You were talking about CNG.
Those cars are not.
A year ago, a survey was done. There was written that CNG is the major factor of creating pollution. Okay, and nowadays
CNG
they
is
are,
comprised natural gas.
and nowadays they are taking that you have to convert your vehicle on CNG.
But thing is that
let me clear more facts. There was Bharat Standard 4, and now it is Bharat Standard 5 that has already been implemented. So now the new engines, the new.
My friend, sorry to interrupt you, but they should.
what about the-
they
what about
should
the people
focus
that
on
having a-
the industry sector? Proper planning and proper strategies should be placed.
Yes. Before
but thing
implementing
is that people knew that this is for only some time. When it will be applied totally, then they will tend to buy 2 or more cars to travel daily, and it will
Create
create
more pollution, not less. And also the traffic jam will increase. So there will be
I
more.
just want to say-
Friends, I think we are sidelined the topic. The main topic is that has audible formula lowered the pollution or not. And in our opinion, the pollution has lowered down not to the point that government expected, but it has lowered down. There's also there was also a decrease judge that whether the pollution has come down to or not. At Dwarka side, it was recorded that pollution has come down. At that time,
Car-free day launch.
they were recorded at 300 and they came up about like 270 something.
On 22nd March, I think they
Yeah,
very good point.
this was the figure.
As you made a point, I mean, how people will come to know that that pollution level has been decreased. I mean, at various places, those meters were placed which calculate the pollution per particles. So, to make the people aware about how much pollution that is in air right now. So, I mean, they give real-time figures about the pollution. I mean, so there's no issue between the government and the people that people are ready to know everything about what's going on, how this ODM formula has decreased the pollution. I mean, the figures that we talk about before implementing this formula of ODM and after implementing. So there is
To
a
some extent,
I totally appreciate your point. As you are saying that the population can be controlled by using the odd and even formula. What can in some
Population,
cases
not here, pollution. We are talking about the pollution.
Sorry. But in other cases, if you talk about the industries, that most of the wastage that is there from the industry and that is carried into the ships and dumped into the oceans.
Actually,
And
we
it will create a
are
lot-
talking about the pollution that controlled by audible formula. What the impact of audible formula on pollution?
I
it
am also
decrease
saying that
pollution or
You are
not.
But you can understand that only edible formula will not be beneficial for this to control the pollution.
Exactly, what we are talking about.
As we talk about this, if we say that one day you can use the even number car or after the another day you can use the odd number of car. But the people who have the even number of car, they cannot use the odd number of car. If we
They have the
if we talk
public
about it,
facilities.
if they are not so opulent,
Like
they
people
cannot
are-
use the any other car to travel here and there. And as you are saying that
Like
they can
people
use the
started
public
using
transport.
carpools.
Carpools, they are accommodating with the other people to go
But
to the
still,
offices.
there was too much rush on the metro station. For that, even metro personnel has said that we can afford to have such a problem on metro. If any mishap happens, we won't be taking charges for it.
My argument
This
is
is
that
not going wrong.
the ODM formula is used in only 15 days and they can't judge. And the in Japan is also used in 3 years and used in both cars, odd and even, and they purchase odd and even.
But what about those people who don't have that
And,
good number of cars?
and the pollution was increased and vehicles are also increased.
But only by using the automated formula you can have control all the
But I disagree with your point, Dinesh. Actually, you were saying that the people will go
Why both are
both the cars, both the odd and even both the cars. But as you know,
Actually, it
as
is
far
increasing expenditure. What about those people whose income is lower?
as per your knowledge, I want to tell you that
I am also saying
in Delhi, parking facility is a major problem that people face. Okay, and it is not possible that one people can buy 2 cars and they can do parking because parking facility
At
is
some
very.
extent, it decreases pollution, but in my opinion, they should focus on industry sector majorly
So,
because they are creating more pollution.
here
And
can
if
we
they are
conclude?
planning to impose this plan again,
They should have proper strategies.
They are imposing this plan again on 15
for the
April.
service people who cannot afford both the cars, and also the metro should be scheduled like that way now. Proper strategy should be taken, should be planned for this
It's
plan.
my friend that
Afford-
fully
afford a
planned
car.
period and government has taken steps like they had hired some of the school buses for the usage of public transport and they were avoiding people and they were telling people to avoid using their cars and they were
Autos
using
will charge you, much of a high fare,
and
they
because
were
of the initiative of
Because
the
of the
government.
Yeah, so that was a proper failure of that plan.
Yeah. And it's also political intention. It's also political intention. Actually, DTC buses are getting into losses. Then they are also trying to stop the own vehicle and move into the public transport.
But then if we talk about transportation, this public transportation, we are going to improve this public transportation in the next few
We are going out of track. We are discussing about the losses and we have to just discuss
can we
pollution
conclude
should be
that?
raised or
Can
not.
we conclude that? I mean, original formula was good. I mean,
It is good, but you have to
In my
follow
opinion, it
the
was not my plan.
before implementing.
just a minute. Older people, original formula was good. I mean, for a decreasing
decreased the pollution.
for a decreasing
Stop the discussion, okay? Just go one by one and
that audible formula is good for the pollution, but before implementing this plan, you should have a proper planning. You should have to improve the transportation that people may not suffer this problem.
So I would like to conclude this. Basically, this system decrease pollution at some extent, but they should focus majorly at the factory sector or industrial sector, which they are the major creators of the pollution.
Yes, I agree that audible formula is a good formula. Basically, means in it we have to provide more and more strategies, and we should have to give more awareness amongst the people to use the carpools to decrease the pollution.
According to me, the odd and even formula that work to some extent, but according to me, the pollution is mainly due to the public transportation, not due to the personal transportation. So the focus should be more on the public transportation.
Odd even formula is good, but the people are not followed and they use both cars, odd and even both cars, and which people are not afford a car, they will afford and purchase number plates only.
According to me, odd even formula can be a success in future if proper strategies and planning can be done for that. By increasing the number of public vehicles, improving the industrial waste, they should, dispose their waste properly. Also, the people like us should get aware about waste, how to dispose of properly, plastic one side, vegetable waste one side. Like that, we can control all the pollution, but by making proper plan and strategies.
To conclude, I would say that yes, audible is a good formula, and if it is implemented time to time, it will lower down the pollution. This time it has not come to that extent that the government expected, but it will surely come if it is done in say 8 hours of time.
According to me, that odd even was a good rule and it had its own success, but still not as expected by the government. Government have to take serious measures before launching such a rule, because a lot of research has to be done on it, that how they will manage, because it will only create a chaos if they keep on continuing it. Because for public transportation they have to think a lot, because Delhi population is not less. They have to think how they have to manage before any mishap happens.
Well, this odd and even formula help majorly in decreasing down the pollution. So but next time we want to implement it, we should ensure that these rules these rules are going to be implemented in a good manner, and then we should ensure other sectors other than the automobile sectors, other sectors which are creating pollution. So we need to prevent. We have to look after it. We have to look after each and everything which is creating. Yes, we need to focus on every sector.
In my point of view, that the odd even formula is a little bit good. It is not a very good idea, because only by using the odd even formula you can control the pollution of the whole India. Only if you are implementing this formula in Delhi, then only it will be beneficial only for some purpose, but not more. So I think that it is not a good.
Alright, so time for feedback. See, overall, as a group, okay, so some serious feedback here, okay. Maybe you are busy or have been in the process throughout the day, so you're tired, but you cannot bring that forward when you are sitting for a gym, okay. Your body language, your the tone of voice, the whole, देख के ही लग रहा है कि कितने थके हो.
मैम एक्चुअली तो जीडी पहले था और पीआई बाद में